Welcome students in your English class. Today we will do our poem In Bed at Night question and answer. So first of all take out your 1 number notebook. We will do our question and answer. Students, first of all write down today's date. Then write down CW. Do you know? CW means classwork. Now, write down in your margin portion POEM, poem, and the name of this poem, In Bed at Night, NIGHT, night. Now, write down in first line question QUESTION, question oblique answer ANSWER, answer. Write down this heading in very beautiful handwriting. Now write down question number 1, and our question number 1 is what is the little little girl doing doing means little girl, छोटी लड़की क्या कर रही है. And according to the poem, do you know what is the answer? And according to the poem, the little girl is seeing at the twinkling star. So we will write this answer here. We will start our answer from here. The little girl is seeing SEEING, seeing at the twinkling TWINKING, twinkling star means छोटी लड़की चमक टिमटिमाते हुए तारे को देख रही है. So write down this answer in very beautiful handwriting. Now student, leave one line and write down our question number 2. And our question number 2 is who comes, COMES, comes to peep, PEEP, peep at the little, LITTLE, little girl, 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 question. Who comes to peep at the little girl? छोटी लड़की को देखने कौन आता है? And the other question is inbuilt in this question number 2, where WHERE, where does DOES, does he stay, STAY, stay at night, 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 question mark. Where does he stay at night, और वो रात में कहाँ रुकता है? So now look at question number 1. Who comes to peep at the little girl? रात को चुपके से देखने लिटिल गर्ल को कौन आता है? तो do you know who comes? Yes, the star comes to peep at the little girl. And where does he stay at night? He stays in the sky at night. So we will write this answer here. Okay. So mention the heading answer, then write down its answer. The star, 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 comes, COMES, comes to peep at the LITTLE little girl. Full stop. Means तारा छोटी लड़की को देखने चुपके से आता है. Now we will write its second answer. Where does he stay at night? He stays. Here we write he for the star. He stays in the sky at night. यानी वो रात में आसमान में रुकता है. ओके, राइट डाउन दिस आंसर स्टूडेंट. नाउ लीव वन लाइन एंड राइट डाउन our question number 3. And our question number 3 is, what happens, WHAT, what happens, HAPPENS, happens at the break of day, BREAK, break of day. Question mark. Do you know, student, what is the meaning of break of day? Break of day means early morning, that we wrote yesterday in our word meaning. Break of day means early morning. So what happens at the break of the day means early morning, सुबह जल्दी. What happens, क्या होता है? Do you know what happens at the early morning? At the break of the day, the star disappears. वो तारा गायब हो जाता है, यानी दिखाई नहीं देता है. We will write this answer here. Mention the heading of answer. We will start our answer from here. At the BREAK, break of day, comma, the star, 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 disappear, DIS, dis, APPEARS, appears. Disappears means नहीं दिखाई देना, means गायब हो जाना. यानी at the break of the day, the star disappears. सुबह मॉर्निंग में, सुबह होते ही वो तारा गायब हो जाता है, नहीं दिखाई देता है. ओके, नाउ स्टूडेंट, राइट डाउन आवर क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. So mention here the heading of question number 4. And our question number 4 is, what does WHAT, what, DOES, does, what does the little, LITTLE, little girl, 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 think, THINK, think. What does the little girl think? The star, 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 does, 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 in the morning, MORNING, morning. Question mark. What does the little girl think? छोटी लड़की क्या सोचती है? The star does in the morning, कि वो तारा सुबह में क्या करता है. तो क्या सोचती है लिटिल गर्ल? The little girl thinks that the star goes to peep at other little girls. So we will write this answer here. We will start our answer from here. In the morning, 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 comma, the star, star, goes to peep at other, 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 little, 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 girls, girls, full stop. In the morning, सुबह में तारा दूसरी छोटी लड़कियों को चुपके से देखने जाता है. ऐसा कौन सोचता है? ऐसा लिटिल गर्ल सोचती है. ओके, राइट डाउन दिस आंसर. नाउ स्टूडेंट, write down our next question, question number 5. So mention here question number 5, and our question number 5 is which, WHICH, which line, LINE, line in the poem, 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 tells, TESS, tells you that the speaker, SPEAKER, speaker is a girl. Question mark. Which line in the poem? पोयम में कौन सी लाइन यानी पंक्ति टेल्स यू आपको बताती है दैट द की स्पीकर इज अ गर्ल, बोलने वाला यानी पोएट एक गर्ल यानी लड़की है. यानी पोयम में कौन सी लाइन से आपको पता चलता है कि ये जो पोएट है वो गर्ल है, लड़की है. सो बाय विच line do you know? To peep at other little girls. In this poem there is a line to peep at other little girls. वो कहती है कि दूसरी लड़कियों को देखने चले जाते हैं. कहती है ना? By this line we know the speaker is a girl. To peep at other, LITTLE, little girls, full stop, and the apostrophe close. To peep at other little girls, दूसरी छोटी लड़कियों को चुपके से देखने के लिए ये लाइन हमको बताती है that the speaker is a girl. So students, these are our 5 question and answers of our poem In Bed at Night. Now student, we will match our yesterday's homework. So take out your worksheet and it's page number 2323. Now student, look at our scene passage 1 that was our yesterday's homework. Now match your answer number 1. Poet went to bed at night, noon or morning. The poet went to bed at night. Okay. Now look at sentence number 2. Question number 2. He sees stars from the, here should be she. She sees stars from the blinds. वो तारों को कहाँ से देखती है? ब्लाइंड से देखती है, यानी पर्दों के माध्यम से देखती है। नाउ लुक एट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Who comes to peep? Star comes to peep. Okay. Now match your answer number 4. Blinds are types of curtain. Blinds एक तरीके के पर्दे होते हैं. Now match your answer number 5. To peep means to look secretly, यानी चुपके से, रहस्यमय तरीके से देखना. ओके. नाउ स्टूडेंट मैच our question number B. Write the opposite of the day, and according to our scene passage 1, the opposite of day is night and the opposite of big is little. Okay student, hope you would have your answers. Now student, it is time to go. Till then, our next video. Goodbye everyone and take care.